This is your tutorial on how to make toast. First off, you have to have bread. Put it into the toaster. Here we go. You push it down. You need to make sure it's on the right setting. And once it's done, okay. Sometimes it's not always cooked exactly the way you want it on the first try. If you like very crispy toast, then this is one way you can do it. But another way, that you can make toast is on a lighter setting. Okay, after you get your butter out, you take your toast, you put it down. Once you've completed both steps on both pieces of toast, you now have the perfect toast to eat, and that is how you make toast. You are welcome.